let's start making a delicious chicken recipe called Chicken Kofta Butter Masala. To begin the recipe, first we'll make Kofta Masala for kofta. Add oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to add cumin seeds, crush cardamom and cloves, chop garlic, saute it for a minute. As the color of garlic starts to change, I'm going to add chopped onion. Saute it for a few minutes till it gets translucent in color. As the color of the onion starts to change, I'm going to add the masalas. First, I'm adding cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, kitchen king masala, and homemade meat masala. Mix it nicely and cook till the rawness of the masala goes away. And once the rawness of the masala is gone, I'm going to switch off the gas and add freshly chopped coriander. Mix the coriander nicely with the masala, and once done, keep it for cooling. While the masala cools down, let's prepare the curd mix. I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, 3 tablespoons curd. Mix it all together. Once done, add 4 cubes of butter. Mix it with the masala gently. And our curd mix is ready. Now we'll start with the butter gravy base. For that, add ghee, 3 tablespoons. And once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamom pods, 3 cloves, sliced onion, 7 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon ginger slice. Cook till onions get translucent and ginger and garlic lose their rawness. At this stage, I'm going to add 2 sliced green chili and dry Kashmiri chili without seeds. Cook it for a few minutes. At this stage, I'm going to add cashew nut. I'm using broken, so I'm adding 18 pieces. If you're using whole, add 9 pieces only. At this stage, we'll add the curd mix which we prepared earlier. Lower the heat and cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After cooking the curd mix for a few minutes, I'm going to add chopped tomato. With that, I'm going to add degi mirch and last some salt. Now saute the tomato till it gets soft and mushy. As the tomato gets soft and mushy, I'm going to add some water and cover it, cook it for at least 5 minutes. Our butter masala base is ready. I'm going to switch off the gas. Let's open the lid. With that, to balance the heat, I'm going to add little honey, and to enhance the flavor of the spices, I'm going to add kevra water. Mix it gently. Our butter masala base is ready. I'm going to keep it for cooling and then we'll blend it and strain it. While the gravy base is kept for cooling, let's prepare our kofta. For that, I've taken chicken mince. In that, I'm going to add the masala which we prepared earlier. To this, I'll add pepper powder, salt, for binding roasted chickpea flour, some oil, and little breadcrumb. Now mix it gently. Our kofta stuffing is ready. Let's start shaping it. The chicken kofta is nicely shaped and ready to be cooked, and also our gravy base is ready. Let's strain it. While blending, make sure you remove the bay leaf because it discolors the gravy. Our gravy base is ready. Let's start making the gravy. Add melted butter. And the butter is hot. Now I'm going to add chopped onion. Saute it for a few minutes till it gets translucent in color. As the color of the onion starts to change, I'm going to add chopped tomato. With that, little degi mirch. Saute till soft and mushy. As the tomatoes have gone soft and mushy, I'm going to add gravy base. Now mix it all together. And let it simmer for at least 5 to 6 minutes. By that time, we'll make our kofta. Add oil and wait for oil to heat up and shallow fry the kofta for at least 5 minutes on both the sides. The kofta is ready and the gravy has started to simmer. I'm going to add little water to get the desired consistency. At this stage, I'm going to add cream and kasuri methi. Mix it nicely. I'm going to lower the heat. At this stage, also I'm going to add the koftas. Mix it nicely. And cover and cook it for at least 5 minutes. And there you go guys, our chicken kofta butter masala is now ready. To this, I'm going to add little coriander. Give it a nice mix. And switch off the gas and let's start plating. And there you go guys, our chicken kofta butter masala is now ready. You also try this rich, delicious gravy and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and keep cooking.